Lento ayenzile la kule laptop ufake i-hard drive yakhe, which is isize yakhona is 100 gigabytes, and then ukhe eyami 500 gigabytes, and then late yesterday evening, namhlanje sokuyi-7, uza ne-message yokuthi hayi i-hard drive yami is completely damaged. So I don't really actually believe that, but ngathi kuye okay akayibuyise so that ngizoyimukisa for second opinion, and then kuthi ku-message ke ebengimthumele yona bengikushilo okunye. So I've given him a week to sort of bring back my hard drive, which didn't have this sound. You see this sound lehela yenkinga ye-fan enga-operate nakahle kule hard drive le angifakele yona. So yona ngokwayo leyo hard drive ayifake kwicomputer yami ayikho right, so it's not necessarily a gift. So the question being, look, okay, because ayikho yintsha, so kusho ukuthi nayo yakhishwa elsewhere. So this is a damaged hard drive which has got a problem. Yeah, fan yayo, fan clearly doesn't operate well magna sound kanje. So ngingasho ngithi ngiyaqala ukuyisebenzisa, ngiye ngayichecka nje the other day quickly. I didn't use the laptop, and then it sound azange it lasted this long like it is doing today. So the hard drive angifakele yona la, it's bad. The hard drive I had was good. So I'm waiting for him to bring back my hard drive, but here's the catch. How do I know now what he brings back is still my hard drive? All right, so that I take it for a second opinion. For me to know, go require ukuthi ngikhipha ama-document aka-matrix, because they will clarify yonke into ephathelene nokuthi inhloboni ye-hard drive leyo. So if he has exchanged my hard drive ngisho kule azoyiletha with something else, then he's gonna have to be liable for all the information that I had there, because I will go the legal route if he does that on my system. Because now, honestly, from the first day, angithi asiyazi lento i-IT and electronics, but I kind of felt ukuthi he saw there is a solution to my hard drive, and I believed that he could have solved that whilst he was here on that very same day. So the probability is that he saw maybe the power or the size of that hard drive and decided to ngikhuluma ama-suspicions, and decided ukuthi okay akenza ngazathi safe ile idinga usizo oluzothatha i-laptop luyimukise lapho aye adecide ukuthi athe imukise khona for whatever else. Now if he has done that, here's the thing, gobe kusho ukuthi he has got no soul, because if somebody is telling you ukuthi the information lapho it's critical to their lives, it's their life, and you still want to swindle, then it means your heart is gone. So let's see what's happening. But okay, if that is what he's doing, I'm gonna have to approach legal avenues, because angimazi angaze sazana ngaphandle kokuthi ngibingelele mangidlula. So it can't be ukuthi umuntu angisukela ngehlelele Rumini to come and swindle me. No. So but let's wait for the week. In essence, I'm rather giving him a week to save himself. All right, ngiyabonga.